The 2026 Sephora Sun Safety Kit is coming soon on the Sephora app on April 21st and on all other platforms on April 22nd. The kit is $39 and has over a $210 value. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The set contains a 0.33 ounce 10mm Lancome UV Expert Defense 50 Plus sunscreen, 0.17 ounce 5mm Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer, 0.33 ounce 10mm Sophie Pave Face Screen Time Hydrating Non-Comedogenic Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. 0.015 ounce 0.5mm Tatcha Silk Sunscreen, 0.68 ounce 20mm Tower 28 Beauty SOS Face Guard Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen, 0.5 ounce 15mm Ultraviolet Sheen Sunscreen SPF 50 Hydrating Lip Balm, 0.5 ounce 15mm Ultraviolet Future Screen SPF 50 Modern Mineral Sunscreen, 0.33 ounce 10mm Beauty of Jason Day Dew Sunscreen Lightweight SPF 50, 1 ounce 30mm Bioessence Squalene Plus Daily Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50, 0.24 ounce 7mm Dermalogical Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50, 1.69 ounce 50mm Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dew Shield Hydrating Fluid SPF 30 Sunscreen PA+++, 0.33 ounce 10mm Innis-Free Daily UV Sunscreen Lotion Broad Spectrum SPF 50 plus PA++++, 0.34 ounce 10mm Isidin Fusion Water Magic, 0.5 ounce 15mm Kiehl since 1851 Better Screen UV Serum Broad Spectrum SPF 50 plus. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.